everyone, welcome back to my channel. For my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love having you guys here. My name is Dominique and I am a fashion and beauty blogger with a YouTube channel that is primarily devoted to hair, but every now and then I do fashion and beauty videos. And my returning subscribers, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for supporting me. It means the world to me. You guys all know this. So it's mid-July, perfect time to do a video on one of my favorite fashion accessories of all time, designer sunglasses. So before we get started, you'll notice that the lighting is kind of weird, definitely compared to the rest of this video, but I went ahead and shot this video and the first minute was out of focus. I'm telling you, if I could murder my camera, I would. So had to refilm. Okay, so designer sunglasses. I love them. I've officially built a pretty nice collection and I feel that each pair of designer sunglasses I have really rounds out my whole wardrobe pretty perfectly. I've partnered up with this online brand called Trend Savvy, which is fantastic. They are an online website that offers up designer goods at really fantastic prices. They are also having a fantastic designer sunglass sale this weekend. And if you use my code DOM10, I'll put it right here, you get an extra 10% off your designer sunglass purchase. You get an extra 10% off whatever you buy on the website. So let's get started. So first up are the sunglasses that I've been wearing on repeat. They are the Fendi Monogram sunglasses, and I got these because they are your classic, quintessential pair of black sunglasses. Like, these are sunglasses you would wear if you're a celebrity and you want to be incognito and you're being chased by the paparazzi down the street. I love these. The shape, I love that they're a little oversized. I love the gold Fendi logo in the corner. I mean, they're just excellent. And I wear them almost every single day because they go with everything. They're also very flattering on my face shape, but a few of my girlfriends also have these and we all look different, and these glasses look good on everyone. So these are on the Trend Savvy site. I will link them in the description box. They are super on sale right now. When I went to Chicago a few weeks ago, I tried these on at Nordstrom and I'm just so thrilled to have them. Okay, the next pair of sunglasses that I am in love with that I got off the Trend Savvy website are these Givenchy Star Aviators. I've been obsessed with these sunglasses forever and I am very grateful to Trend Savvy for sending me a pair. So again, the Nordstrom in Chicago has an insane sunglass section and they had the Givenchys there. They're the Star Aviators again. $490, and on the Trend Savvy site they're 250 Canadian dollars. So here they are. I love Aviator sunglasses. I think they're supremely flattering on my face shape. And these in particular are just elevated because they're jet black and they've got the set of stars framing the eyes. They're so cool. Wherever I wear these, no matter where I go, people stop me and they're like, where did you get those? And I'm like, oh, from Trend Savvy, they're Givenchy. Anyways, they're fantastic. I think they just give that it factor to any outfit. I wore them throughout Blues Fest and yeah, I just think they have like a bit of an edge. They're super cool and I am obsessed with them. Okay, so my next pair of sunglasses I've had for about 1 to 2 years. They are just classic Gucci frames. Again, they are oversized. They're similar to the Fendis I got at Trend Savvy. I love them because again, they're oversized but delicate at the same time. They are not in-your-face designer sunglasses, like they're not very logo-y or anything, and they're feminine. The lens does have a bit of a gradient to it. I will give you guys a close-up, but again, these go with everything. I wear a ton of black, so I reach for these sunglasses a lot. So here's a close-up of these sunglasses. I bought them at Merivale Vision Care. It's an eye clinic that I collaborate with here in Ottawa. They have an amazing selection of designer sunglasses, and I saw these and I was like, this is exactly what I need to round out my sunglass collection. I love that they're a little lighter at the bottom and they're nice and big. Fantastic. Okay, so my next pair of sunglasses are this awesome pair of Chloe's. I love these sunglasses. They make me feel really, really cool. They look like something straight out of the 70s. Ugh, love them. So I love how big they are. Like, I love huge sunglasses. When those really tiny sunglasses, the super skinny ones came in, I was like, no, I am sticking with my really, really big frames. I have a few pairs of those skinny ones, but yeah, I just always reach for these. I think these are so cool. I love the gray lenses. I love the wire frames. They're just like, they're like something that my mom and my aunts would have worn in the 70s. That's what I love Chloe. It has such a 70s vibe, that whole brand. Fantastic. So back to Trend Savvy. They have a really great selection of Chloe sunglasses. I just love these. So here they are up close. Again, they have the gradient lenses, so darker at the top, lighter at the bottom. They're just so cool. I need to wear these more. Love them. So my next favorite pair of sunglasses is another pair of Chloe's, and they are just classic Aviators. I love these. I carry several pairs of sunglasses in my handbag, but these ones are always in my handbag. I reach for these a lot because my style is pretty, laid back, casual. I try to be effortless, and these just play right into that. I love the brown lenses. I think they're really complementary on my skin tone. I love the tortoiseshell bar across the top, like just a very classic detail. It's very 70s. And I love the gold frames. They're just so, so nice. They're beautiful. So here you go. There's a close-up for you. I love these. They look good with everything. I wear them all the time. They're just so cool. These I bought from Merivale Vision Care. Again, they have a really cool selection of designer sunglasses. When I saw these sunglasses, I was like, these are the glasses I need. They're just super cool. Go with everything. Love the gold. I love them. My next pair is a pair of François Pinton. This is a storied Parisian brand. They made those big oversized sunglasses that Jackie O used to wear all the time in the 60s. And these are the same pair that she wore in the 60s. As much as I love black sunglasses that are really, really cool, I love tortoiseshell sunglasses. I think on dark skin tones, they are so complementary. And again, they transcend time. Tortoiseshell sunglasses look good on everybody, every year. Again, classic, elegant, effortless. So these are just so awesome. I love how big they are. Again, I love the color. They just, I don't know, like, they're just amazing. They're effortless. They're fantastic. So these are a bit on the pricier side. I think they're over $500. I was lucky enough that François Pinton actually sent me these sunnies, and I absolutely love them. So I actually have this gorgeous white linen dress and a really cute For Love or Lemons romper. You guys will see this in a clothing haul soon enough. And this looks great with them. I think they're really, really cool. I can see why Jackie O loved these sunglasses. They're amazing. I might invest in a black pair because I think that the black would be really, really cool. I put these on and I just instantly feel très chic. Très chic. So last but not least are a pair of Dior's that I've had for about 3 years now. And all the sunglasses that I'm showing you are the ones that I wear the most, are my favorite ones. So I thought to round out my sunglass collection that I needed a pair of white sunglasses. So I got these Dior So Reals, and when I saw them I knew instantly these are exactly the white sunglasses that I want. I'm not actually too much of a fan of white sunglasses. I think that they can go from really cool to really douchey really fast, and these I just thought were ladylike and stylish and amazing. I love that there's not too much white on them. I love the sort of bronzy gold metallic lenses. They're super ladylike, just like Dior. They're just fabulous. So here's a close-up of them. You can see how delicate and pretty they are. See what I mean about them just having just the right amount of white. They're not overwhelming. They're not, frankly, stupid. They're just gorgeous. I love those gold metallic lenses. They're just really, really cool. All right, guys, that wraps up my video of my favorite sunglasses. Again, check out trendsavvy.com. They have an extensive collection of beautiful designer sunglasses, all on sale right now, all weekend. Use my code DOM10 so that you can get an extra 10% off your designer sunnies or any purchase on the Trend Savvy website. You can get 10% off a bikini, shoes, vintage designer handbags, you name it, whatever you want. So, don't forget to check me out on Instagram at dominique.baker. Check out my blog also at styledomination.com. And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love you forever. So yeah, that is it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic weekend and happy shopping on trendsavvy.com. See you later. Bye.